Unpack your DinkBuddy Find and Identify parts. 2 plastic foot stops, 2 end caps, 2 ball stops, 2 pipe E's, and inside of pipe E's would be 2 silver chrome pipe B's, and inside of the silver chrome pipe B's are 2 white pipe D's. There's also a ball on a wire. There's also a tube called A, which is the top horizontal piece, and there's also a stop pin that is packed inside of tube A. The first step is to take the 2 smallest white pipes marked with a D and put them into the side holes of the base. You must put them in all the way up to the stop line. The stop line should not be visible if the tubes are inserted properly. Twist and push. And do the other side. Helps if you alternate pushing on both sides. And you can also put it on the floor and push down with your body weight. The next step is to install the white pipe with holes into the base. The holes go on the top. Push it in until the stop line is covered. Then do the other side. Next, lay out your plastic pieces next to the horizontal large chrome bar marked with an A sticker. Then slide vertical chrome tube marked with a B sticker into the end cap plastic piece with the spring button pointed inward. Then do the same on the other side. Press vertical chrome pipe marked with a B with the spring button into white pipe with holes marked with an E. Insert the metal optional spin stop over top of the wires and into the other hole, stopping where it gets twisty underneath the plastic.